My dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and we're coming to you from downtown Berkeley, California, a center of learning, innovation, and creativity, home of one of the greatest of universities. And from these sparks of vivacity in life, we're going to be creating today a very special smoothie, a Concord grape, peach, and fig smoothie, enhanced by live turmeric, an herb with such powerful health-giving benefits, and with fresh ginger. So with fresh turmeric and fresh ginger. So let us get started, if we may. And we'll start with these magnificent Concord grapes. Here, Concord grapes are native of New England, of course, of Massachusetts, but of course, they grow here in California to perfection. A privilege to work with them. So this is going to be our liquid base. And how about some magnificent slices of California peaches? All grown in the Central Valley, once an inland sea, a source of magnificent fertility. How about another peach? These are just gorgeous, I think you will agree. Now here's a lemon that I have chopped up. I'm sorry, it's actually a lime. And now for some magnificent figs, just harvested in this California agricultural wonderland. And now, what about some of our alive organic almond butter? It's the pillar of our business. We've been making it for decades now, made from magnificent California organic almonds, grown by a farming family of 5 generations on the land in the vicinity of Fresno, California, right in the heart of the Central Valley. So here, some tablespoons of almond butter, and then we have here our walnut butter from walnuts also grown by a family farmer in the great Central Valley. And now, for sweetness, we're really enthralled by medjool dates. These are medjool dates that I've pitted and chopped up. And how about some local honey? Vermont maple syrup, but of course. And now we have this fresh turmeric, a most healing medicinal herb, and fresh turmeric. And how about some fresh ginger? And Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Salt brings out, elicits, and heightens the flavor. So here you have it, my friends. Where else but in Living Tree Community will you have a Concord grape, peach, fig, turmeric, ginger smoothie. Let's give this a try. If I may say so, it's just the thing to start your mornings with a whirl of energy, and to go out there and to face our tasks. And may I conclude by saying, support your community garden. Every kitchen should have a compost bucket. Bring your compost to your community garden. They will kiss you and hug you for that. Your schoolyard, your local schoolyard, speak to the powers that be about transforming it into an edible schoolyard. Your local park, why not make it into an edible landscape with fruit-bearing trees, vines, and berry bushes? All of this is within your compass. So with Labor Day coming up, I just rejoice in the energy, in the goodness, in the tremendous possibilities within our grasp, the life energy at the grassroots of this country. We rejoice on it, and we know eventually we will be going in the right direction towards recreation, renewal, and redemption. My privilege, brothers and sisters, to share with you. Let us go forward. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below and even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and critiques are gold to us, are treasured by us. My privilege to share. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters.